U-boat, Ranger RT188. Got the foot control with the recessed foot tray, little Lowrance unit, 70-pound thrust maxim. Got 2 big storage compartments on the deck for whatever you want to throw in there. Baits likely. Back storage compartments, a live well. Battery compartment and everything. Second console. It's got this cool little rod holder thing you can put right here for your co-angler, your passenger, your back deck fisherman. This front driver's console with the Talon remote. Rod storage, fit quite a few rods in there. Pretty good rod storage, very important. This is for your fish ruler, or you can put one in each one. 115 Yamaha show and a Talon.